Yeah!
Hey there, Lingokids! Today, we're going to draw something really special. It twinkles, it glows, and it can even make wishes come true. Any guesses? That's right, it's a star. Grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's get drawing. First things first, our star needs its shape. Stars can have many points, and ours is going to have 5. To give our star its points, draw 5 half ovals like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you need help making the points even, you can trace around the tip of your thumb. Looking good, Lingokids! Next, let's give our star some eyes so that it can see the world from up in the sky. In the center of your star, make 2 sideways letter C's, side by side. This is a cheerful star. Now let's give our star a mouth to show how happy it is. Draw a half circle, like a watermelon slice. Then, draw another half circle inside the bottom of the mouth, this time going the other way. This is your star's tongue. Great job, Lingokids! Did you know that stars are made of all kinds of materials and live way up in outer space? They can be rocky and have craters, like the moon. Let's give our star some craters by drawing some circles on its points and around its face. You can use different sizes, and you can add as many craters as you want. Our star is almost ready to take its place in the sky. It just needs a bit of color so that it can really glow and light up the whole night sky. You'll need these colors: yellow, light yellow, dark yellow, dark pink, and dark brown. Use the yellow to fill in your star's body. Be careful not to color in its craters. Now, use light yellow to fill in about half of your star's craters. Use the dark yellow to color in the other half of its craters. Fabulous work, Lingokids! Color in your star's tongue with a dark pink crayon. And finally, use dark brown to fill in the rest of your star's mouth. You can trace its eyes with dark brown too, so that they really pop. Look at your beautiful work, Lingokids! Your star has everything it needs to shine bright in the sky and make your wishes come true. Oh, Billy has an idea! How about drawing even more stars to decorate your room with? This way, you will always have nice dreams. This was a nice craft. We're ready to go to sleep now. Sweet dreams, Lingokids! Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time.